ISSO 4, Chapter 7, Earth and the Environment. Hints and explanations. The Indian Ocean lies to the south of India and it is named after the country India. Vehicles release gases such as carbon dioxide, which we all know, sulfur oxide, and carbon monoxide in the air and pollute it. So, the three gases vehicles release are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and sulfur oxide. So, there is an oxide, there is a dioxide, and there's a monoxide. The oxide released is of sulfur, the dioxide and the monoxides released are of carbon. Using public transport will reduce the number of personal vehicles on the road, hence, pollution will also be reduced. What is dioxide? Dioxide is an atom with two oxygen molecules. Monoxide is a molecule with one oxide, that is oxygen molecule. Asthma is caused by air pollution, while diarrhea, cholera, and chickenpox are caused by germs. Asthma is a condition wherein you cannot breathe, you feel breathless. Sandstorms, forest fires, and volcanic eruptions occur naturally around us. Hence, they are natural causes of air pollution. Yes, a sandstorm pollutes the air with sand particles. Forest fires pollute the air with smoke and carbon dioxide. Volcanic eruptions also pollute the air with lots of gases that are spurted out. A map uses various colors according to the features. The blue color denotes water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, etc. on a map. The southern part of India is a peninsula. PENINSULA. Pen in Sula. It is surrounded by water bodies on three sides. That is the Arabian Sea in the west. That is when you look at the map of India and you place your left hand on the water body in the left, that is the Arabian Sea in the west. When you look at the map of India, take your right hand and place it on the water body in the right, it is the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Indian Ocean in the south. So, the three water bodies that surround the Indian peninsula, that is the Indian triangular part, are the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Non biodegradable substances are those substances that cannot be degraded. Plastic bags cannot be recycled either. So, they cannot be degraded and they cannot be recycled. Revolution of the earth around the sun causes seasons. There are mainly four seasons: summer, autumn, when the leaves fall, winter, and spring, when the flowers bloom. Recycling is a process whereby waste materials like metallic can, paper, and glassware are processed to create new products. The symbol of recycling is three arrows in a triangle. Earth shows two types of movements, that is rotation around its own axis and revolution around the sun. Earth rotates around the sun in a fixed path called the orbit. When the northern hemisphere tilts towards the sun, it experiences summer. And when the southern hemisphere at this time experiences winter. So, when the northern hemisphere of the earth tilts towards the sun, it experiences summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in the southern hemisphere. Almost 97% of the total water on earth is salty. 97%. While 2% is in the form of frozen glaciers and polar ice caps. We have only 1% of water suitable for drinking. So, yes, there is 3% of non salty water available for drinking, but out of that 3%, 2% is in the form of frozen glaciers and polar ice caps. That is the reason why we have to conserve water. We have only 1% of water suitable for drinking. Sahara is a desert, while Beas is a river, Beas. Beas is the river that supplies water to the Indira Gandhi Canal in Rajasthan. The other river that supplies water to the Indira Gandhi Canal in Rajasthan is the Satluj. The atlas is a book comprising of different types of maps. The axis passes through the center of the earth and connects the North Pole with the South Pole. It is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. 2, 3, 1 by 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2 degrees. That is 23.5 degrees. The axis is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth and connects the North Pole with the South Pole. The biosphere refers to that part of the earth which has life on it. It refers to the living world, that is, plants and animals. Lithosphere is the solid part of the earth. It includes different types of landforms. Hydrosphere includes different types of water bodies like oceans, seas, ponds, lakes, and streams. Hydro means related to water. Bio means related to life. Thank you for learning about the earth and the environment. Thank you, Lord.